This is Roger with Wet Irrigation. Today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot a lighting transformer. So this customer has their lights not coming on. So this is their transformer. What I'm going to do is I'm getting my voltmeter, checking for my voltage, and now every one of these taps should have voltage. So when the system is on, I'm going to connect one to the common and one to a 12 volt tap. So my voltmeter should run 12 volts, and it's running to 0. So I'm just going to put the next one over just to make sure that it's not just the tap. So we're going to go to 13 in my common, and we're still at 0. So what I'm going to do is, right now I'm not having power, so I'm going to take out the timer and try to bypass the timer and just plug it in direct. Now I'm going to do the same thing. 12 volts in my common. There we go, I got 12.4. I go to the 13. And common. 13.4. So now I know that the timer is bad, that the transformer is good, so now I just need to get them a new timer. Thank you for watching.